Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is edge computing. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for latest videos. Edge computing is a distributed computing paradigm that brings computation and data storage closer to the location where it is needed rather than relying solely on centralized cloud data centers. By processing data at the edge of the network near the data sources such as IoT devices or sensors. Edge computing helps reduce latency, improve performance, and optimize bandwidth usage. It enables faster, more efficient processing of data in real time and especially of benefits of applications that require low latency, high reliability, or large amounts of data to be processed quickly. Key concepts of edge computing. Edge devices, these are physical devices or sensors that generate data such as IoT devices, industrial machines, smartphones, wearable cameras, and autonomous vehicles. Edge nodes refer to intermediate devices or servers that are located at the edge of the network, typically between the devices and centralized cloud infrastructure. These nodes process and analyze data locally before transferring only relevant or activity data to the cloud or further analyzed storages. Example of edge nodes include gateway routers, small scale local data centers. Edge computing in a typically edge computer architecture, data is captured by edge devices, sensors, IoT devices processed at edge nodes close to where the data is generated, and only essential or pre-processed data is sent to the cloud for long-term storage, further processing, or machine learning. This architecture helps reduce reliance on centralized cloud service and enable faster decision making by processing data closer to the source.